Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, so today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, guys, and some of the things that you might be struggling with, guys. So let's say you've been affiliate marketing for a while now, guys, and you're struggling with organic traffic. Well, a 10x income system might be the solution to that, guys, because it's an already done for you system that you can leverage, guys, without using organic traffic. So let me explain. So this is a system where you can generate unlimited commissions of $297. No complicated setup, no expansion tech skills needed, no waiting for results. Okay, so what makes this so automatic, guys, and why is everything on autopilot here? Because you can leverage having these traffic packages in her program, guys. And she's also a Google Ads expert, guys, so she's collecting all these leads for you guys that you can use to actually get results straight to your link, guys. On average, it takes about maybe a week or a week or two for these results to come in, guys. That's just from members that I've seen talk about their experience using these traffic packages. But people are definitely using them to get results and to become profitable, guys. Because the program and these packages do cost money, but people definitely get a good ROI on them. So this is pretty much the 10x income system landing page right now. As you can see right now, guys, this used to be $9.97, but it's only $2.97 now. 365-day money back guarantee, nothing to lose, no risk, stop failing, finally break through, 100% passive if you choose to use the traffic packages, guys. You can pretty much get lifelong traffic with them, guys, and have this whole business running on autopilot, guys, which is insane. But for those of you who still want to stick to organic traffic, guys, there's also an option in this program. But most of the people on here are using the traffic packages, guys. But I've seen plenty of people who use organic traffic, guys, to get results, guys, without paying any additional costs on top of the 297. So that is also cool as well. I'm not sure how long this offer will last for, guys. Even the 365-day money back guarantee, that could change at any point for anyone who is not a member. So I'd highly recommend that you get on this. And there are links below in the description for anyone who wants to check this out, guys. And for anyone who thinks this might be a good fit for them, guys, I would highly recommend to purchase, guys, and do not wait on this because for all I know, the next day this could change. Um, so that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you like the information um, that I'm providing in this video. And if you want to see more of the Text Income Program, guys, and me talking about it and giving my experience, be sure to comment down below and subscribe to this channel. All right, later.